He's trained me really well. He's more than changing, just the way I look. He's changed my lifestyle when it comes to diet, when it comes to working out, when it comes to fitness. I don't want to be skinny. I don't want to be thin. I don't want to be weak. I want to be fit, and I want to be able to do my work and do it well, and I want to look good while doing so. So I think he's instilled that in me in the last few months that I've been working out with him.
Wonderful. Abbas, would you like to tell us how you've been working with Sonakshi? आपने क्या क्या किया, क्या क्या secrets है Sonakshi के जो?
No secret.
Yeah.
Hard work.
There's no, as she said, there's no secret to it. The secret is the food. Because the first thing I told her, okay, the transformation will happen outside the gym, in the kitchen, on the dining table. And before we started, it's been what, 4 months we trained. So the whole idea was to educate her what she's getting into it. What we did is a combined training. We didn't stick ourselves to only TRX, only fitness, only weight training, only running.
It
So
was
we
a combination
combination of everything, combination of 11 elements of fitness. Where she does boxing, you have to see that the way she punches. The coach who trains her.
Like I said, I've always been a healthy person, but while I was overweight, obviously I found it very difficult to. My stamina was really bad. Like even though I was playing sports and all, I would play for a while and then sit and huff and puff. So that's when I decided earlier when I had lost weight that I need to do something about it.
Camera
I
look
lost 30 kilos, and then I started acting. And then I got lazy about it. I used to come back from shooting and I used to be like, "Arey, आज इतना काम कर लिया, थक गए, अब gym नहीं जाएंगे."
Feel sorry for
Yeah,
yourself.
and I'm like, I'm working so hard, I can't go to the gym now anymore. And I used to be very lazy about it, and I think I changed that again about myself. Right? You make a decision and you stand by it. Today, no matter how tired I am when I come back from work, I have a treadmill at home. I get onto it for at least half an hour, 40 minutes. I walk or I run, and just that small decision of making up your mind has really changed. And you all are seeing the results. I mean, I would have never thought I would be on the cover of Women's Health until about a few months back.